Hello. Today what I've been showing is a survival caster, is what I call it. I come up with this idea a few years back. I believe I put out a video when I actually designed this. Now this is the same thing as your pop bottle fishing rig, your can fishing rig. It's not new, but I wanted something that I could use for survival if I can't find a bottle and such. So what I did is I cut this piece of wood off like this, took off the edge here so it comes off nice and easy, but it comes straight off just like that. Very nice. And I have a groove cut in around here. I have 30 feet of line on this, and all I have to make sure is I do not go past this groove. So I wrap it up like this and it's good to cast the next time. Also, I made it this size, about 2 inches in diameter, so I can slowly reel it in. And it's actually a pretty good pace for reeling it in up a stream and so on. It's not too fast and it's not too slow. So this here, the fish, I've had a couple bites, but that's it. Mostly small ones, still early here. But this here is a very good option when you do not have a caster, because I've used a pole with just a line on the end and it's great for these little streams and such. But this here, I've got 30 feet, I can cast this right to the end of the line. Now I carry 30 feet of 40-pound braided fishing line in my wallet, as well as 2 cards from Grim Survival. And I'll leave a link down below where you can check those out. But that's what I have on here right now. I've got a Fowler signature card hook, as well as the lure. This here is for weight, but it also is a float. Once in a while I'll cast it and it will get tied up around here because of the float, but I just untangle it and cast again. The caster's working great. One other spot that I'm going to try down here and see if we can catch a fish. I haven't caught a fish yet this year. I've had a few bites, but that's it. But this here is what I've been using, and I want to share that because it's very simple and it may come in handy if anyone ever needs a caster, either survival fishing. I've been using it as my main fishing tackle basically, and rod. But one of the ways that I am doing this, I'll just loop this underneath my fingers like this. And then I can take it, just cast it out like that, let my fingers go, and I'm fine. That's one way. Now I'll reel this back in. Just caught a branch over there. Sometimes I don't have the room to be able to swing it back like this. That's when I'll just grab this here, point this in the direction I want to go, and cast. That's another way, and then using the caster itself. Also, if a fish bites, all I got to do is jerk down like that and it will set the hook. Finally, what I'll do is I'll hook my finger to over top there and then just cast out like that. That's what I've been using with this caster, and it's been working great. So like I said, this idea of fishing is not new. People have used many different items to do the same kind of casting, but I had to come up with and design something that I could cut out here in the forest and work for me. So that's what I come up with, is this here, and it's been working great. Now, like I mentioned, I carry this here is 30 feet of 40-pound braided fishing line, and I carry it in my wallet. Also, I have the Fowler card. You can see that the hook is gone here in one of the lures. Also, I have the Bob Hansler card. So I have many options for fish hooks and lures. So carrying these here in my wallet, I've got a fishing kit with me pretty much any time. All I have to do is cut myself a caster and I'm good to go. So I wanted to share this with you. I want to thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this trip. No fish, but it doesn't matter to me. I got out here into the bush and was able to throw a line in the water and wet it. Take care and all the best.